In this video I will show you how to easily see Snapchat Wrapped directly from your Snapchat app, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open the App Store if you're using an iPhone, and if you're on Android device, open the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and type Snapchat in the search bar. Open the Snapchat app page and make sure your app is fully updated. If you see an update button, so go ahead and update the app. Once the app is updated, open Snapchat. You will land on the camera screen. From here, look for the media icon located right next to the Snap button, so you need to tap on it. You will now be taken to your Snapchat gallery. On this screen, Snapchat organize your memories into different sections like months, weeks, and special memories and memorable days. This is where Snapchat Wrapped lives. So, for example, if you want to see all your snaps from November, February, whichever month, so simply tap on the month wrapped section and you will instantly see all the snaps and memories from that month. And that's it. That's how you can easily view your Snapchat Wrapped and revisit your favorite moments anytime. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.